Hello, beloved people of God. It is Deja. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for being here. I love and appreciate you all so much. So I am back. I was on a little hiatus from YouTube, but I'm back and I have a few prophetic words for you. So this video will be the first of 3. So stay tuned for the other 2. But I want to quickly jump right into this word. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, I highly suggest you subscribing right now. Turn on your bell notifications. That way you may be notified every single time that I post. Go ahead and give this video a very big thumbs up for me if you miss me. And make sure that you leave me a really nice comment in the comment section down below. Amen? So, the word that I have for you guys today, glory be to God. Well, let me start with the dream. So the dream I had was I was in a room, glory be to God. And in the dream, I was pregnant myself, but I was in a room and there was a room full of triplets, okay? It was 3 babies, they were triplets, and there were 3 women, all of different ages, but they were older, taking care of the 3 babies. And that was basically the end of the dream. They were just taking care of the children, the 3 women, and it was one it was one caregiver basically, or one helper for each of the babies. So there was 3 babies, the triplets, and then there was 3 people taking care of them, all different people. Glory be to God. So beloved, after I had woke up, what the Lord had ministered to me from that dream is blessings, okay? You giving birth, glory be to God. You have given birth to not 1, not 2, but several different promises from the Lord. You have given birth, glory be to God, to all of these promises from the Lord. And you may not have experienced them in the tangible yet, but they're here. You've given birth. And and what the Lord was kind of reminding me that day also, while I was woke up from that dream and I was kind of just being ministered to, is that there's a certain period where you're away from your baby after you give birth, because you got to get cleaned up. The baby's got to get cleaned up. They got to give the baby the shots and all types of different things. I can't get into specific details because I don't have any children just yet, so I've never experienced that process. But there is a short period of time where you are away from that child, for just, whether it be like a few moments, glory be to God, or however long you're away from that child after giving birth. And the Lord is saying that there's that small period where you did give birth, glory be to God, but you don't see the baby. And God is saying, hold on, because you are about to see the thing that you have just birthed, the promises of God that you have just birthed. And the 3 women in the dream, obviously they were helpers. They were like nannying the babies. They weren't the mom, but they were destiny helpers. Glory be to God. So God is saying that there's going to be destiny helpers, glory be to God, for each of the promises that you have just given birth to. Glory be to God. They're going to help you nurture that baby that you just gave birth to. They're going to help you sustain it. They're going to help you obtain it. They're going to help you, glory be to God, in whatever way that this word applies to you. Just know that there are destiny helpers, for some people multiple, that are going to help you with the birth of this promise in your life. Glory be to God. For some of you, that's going to look like help filling out applications for mortgages and loans and new car applications. For some of you, it's going to be for music and just many different things that the Lord is ministering to me. Ministry, whatever it is that the Lord just gave birth to, whatever it is that the Lord allowed to be birthed through you, that promise, there's going to be destiny helpers that help you along the way. Glory be to God. Glory be to God. So I just wanted to quickly come on here and leave you guys with this prophetic word. Stay hopeful. Yes, you did give birth to the promise. Yes, a lot of you are walking in the promised land. Now, this word is not for everybody, so take this word back to the Lord, get confirmation. But many of you have given birth to your promise, and there's a destiny helper that's going to help you, that's going to bring that baby to you, that's going to nurture that thing that you just gave birth to. Glory be to God. All right, so I wanted to go ahead and leave you guys with that quick word. I love you all so much. I hope you guys missed me. I've been missing you. Let me know down in the comment section if you believe that this word is for you. Leave me some baby emojis or a house card, whatever it is that applies to you, keys, whatever it is. All right, I love you all so much. If you feel led to sow, you can do so using any of the links down in the description section down below. For coaching, you can go ahead and use the first link in the description section down below. And yeah, I love you all so much. I hope to see you in my next video. Have a blessed day.